This is room 10203. It's a twin bed ocean view room on the Carnival Panorama. It's up in the forward of the ship, and you come in and there's a quick look at the room. There's a couch. Here's your thermostat over here on the left and your light switch for the bathroom. Come into the bathroom. It's a typical Carnival bath. It's got the shower curtain. There's your soap and shampoo dispensers. Over here is your sink, and it comes with 3 shelves on the left, 3 shelves on the right. And watch out for this step right here because you don't want to trip going in or out. The room comes with a couch and a coffee table and an end table with a lamp. And there's the first bed. And there's the second one. Here's your television. And you come over here to the window and you can see that you have almost like your own private deck out here because there's a doorway right outside your room that'll give you access to this deck. So looking over here again at the night table, it doesn't look like there's any place to plug a phone in. Over here is your desk, and your power sources are over here. There's 2 American plugs. There's a 2 USBs, and here is a European plug. There's a stool. Down here is your refrigerator. And there's 3 shelves there. And you get 2 closets. Your first closet has shelves. And this is where your safe is located. And you get 3 drawers there. And then in the second closet, you can hang your clothes here. And then there's plenty of room down below for storage, like if you want to store your suitcases or something there. And looking back, there's the room. Nice size.